My entire day-to-day productivity system is kept in just 2 notebooks. Here's my daily to-do lists and time blocking. And here's my commonplace book and journal for mind clarity. So notebook 1, or my daily planner. It's A4 spiral lined notepad, each page of which I always divide into 2 parts. At the top, my to-do list, and at the bottom, the daily time blocking. From the time I wake up to the time I go to sleep, I see my daily schedule and tasks I need to get done. I try to keep every slot occupied with the task that I need to get done, because otherwise I actually procrastinate or do something useless. I personally cannot keep up with blank spots in my schedule. That's why this notepad is just a lifesaver for me. I also highlight the things that stand out and that are the most important, because my to-do list can be really long, and I need to understand and quickly glance at what my priorities are for today. Also, I write my to-dos into my calendar or time blocking spot of the page to totally remove the friction of doing any task. For example, when I film my new video, it should be a specific spot. When I do my daily workout, somewhere in between lessons at school, for example. I should not be figuring it out on the go. I should already know it because it is on paper, it is on my daily planner, and that stops me from overthinking it all and actually starting taking action. I always keep this planner visible so that I can always glance at it at my table while I'm doing my work or study, and I always see what I need to do and when I need to do it, without the need of grabbing my phone and getting distracted. And now to my second notebook. That replaces not only journal but basically anything. It's an A5 dotted notepad from Accent. The main way in which I use it is just for putting my thoughts on paper, clearing my mind from both positive and negative thoughts, from some problems that now concern me. I also set goals here, break them down into actionable steps that then I include into my daily planner. I track my habits here, celebrate my small wins, reflect on the day, and much more. I just recently made this page how I use my journals, so you can look at it here. I also keep it as a commonplace notebook, which means that I can just write down anything that I want to remember from reading, watching, or hearing something. Any quotes or insights that resonate with me. It's actually really great for brain dumps, really chaotic sometimes, but this is what this paper notebook is made for. Of course, journaling prompts are just my favorites. You can search for them on any social media app, on Google, etc. I also sometimes doodle or sketch. Also, journaling helps me express gratitude and focus on positive thinking. I even draft my YouTube content here, but why not digital journal? I actually tried a lot of different stuff like journal app on my iPhone, GoodNotes on my iPad, and even Notion on my laptop. I'm still experimenting with all these different mediums for journaling, but the best one, for me personally, is paper. Also, I think more deeply in paper. I don't get distracted by any other apps, so I kinda get more out of paper and I get more of my thoughts out of my head when I journal on paper. But you try for yourself and tell me in the comments what way of journaling you like the most. By the way, I forgot to tell you that another advantage of keeping paper notebooks stopped me from being addicted to scrolling social media. And this is what this video is all about, and see you in the next video.